Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites so the process is smooth. Make sure your device runs the latest iOS or Mac OS, is online, and you have access to the Apple ID email and any recovery phone or address. Now go to Settings or System Preferences, tap your name, and choose Password and Security. This first actionable step opens the password change flow. You do this because verification and device trust reduce lockouts and speed the update. Once authenticated with your device passcode, tap Change Password and follow the on-screen fields. Enter the current password if requested, then a new password. Choose a 12+ character passphrase mixing letters, numbers, and symbols because complexity thwarts brute force attacks and keeps your purchases and data safe. After submitting, make sure iCloud Keychain updates so autofill works. Then sign back into any other Apple devices that prompt you. This sync step prevents repeated verification prompts. To finish, verify that you're signed in across App Store, iCloud, iMessage, and other Apple services. This ensures continuity. If a device still asks for a password, re-enter the new one and restart the device so tokens refresh. If you can't sign in, use the recovery process. Request a verification code sent to a trusted phone or run account recovery through if you lack access. Make sure to update recovery contacts immediately. This prevents future lockouts and secures account recovery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.